I am documenting this whole journey because I think the most financial freedom content online is fake. I would rather show you the actual process. Hey, I am not financially stable right now. I am not going to pretend it I am. But I have spent the last few months building a plan, a real one, a plan to change by next year, 2027. Today, I am giving you the exact 5 things I am doing. If you are starting from zero to still this. Hello, if you are new here, this is Daily Logged In. I talk about money, discipline, and the psychology behind why we stay stuck. Okay, here are 5 things that plan is built on. The first mindset shift. Stop treating income like it's only come from one place. One job, one salary, one point of failure. That's fragile. If that one thing disappears, everything disappears with it. So instead of only job hunting, I am building multiple smaller income streams at the same time. Not 10 things badly, but a handful of things done consistently. The goal isn't to get rich from any single one. The goal is that if one slows down, the other keeps me standing. This is the difference between hoping you don't get laid off and knowing you will be fine either way. The second point is building products, not just time. Time is for money. Jobs caps your income at the number of hours in a day. Products don't. Practically for me, that's print on demand and digital products. Things you design once and it can sell repeatedly without remaking them each time. It's not instant money. It took real setup, accounts, verification, product listing, and actual work before the first sale. But once it's live, it can sell while I am asleep. This is the first real step towards passive income. Not no work, but work once, get paid repeatedly. Third, content and affiliate income. This one's slower to build but compounds hard. The idea is simple. You build an audience or traffic source once, and then you can recommend products, run affiliate links, or promote your own stuff through it repeatedly without paying for ads every time. For me, that's using platform like Pinterest to drive consistent traffic and testing affiliate programs that actually fits. Not just grabbing whatever pays highest, but things I would genuinely stand behind. Look, trust is the actual asset here, not the traffic number. Because when your audience trusts you, they will buy instantly from your link and your page. Okay, the fourth one is investing consistently, not dramatically. This one is the least exciting and probably the most important long-term cash flow goal. Income streams get you cash flow. Investing is what turns that cash flow into actual wealth over years, not months. It's boring on purpose. Boring is what makes it sustainable. Okay, the fifth and the last one, and honestly the one that makes other 4 possible. Daily systems. None of this will work if I only do it when I feel motivated. Motivation isn't reliable. It shows up for weeks and disappears. So every one of these income streams get a fixed time block most days, whether I feel it or not. Not extreme, not 16-hour culture grinding, just consistent enough that progress compounds instead of resetting every time I lose momentum. This is the actual logged in part. No intensity but consistency. Okay, so here's the recap. 5 things: build multiple income streams instead of relying on one. Create products that sell without your constant time. Build audience and affiliate income that compounds. Invest small amount consistently and protect it all with daily systems instead of motivation. I'm documenting this whole journey here, the real number, the failure, all of it, because I think most financial freedom content online is fake. I would rather show you the actual process. If you are building from zero, subscribe for the next video. I'll break down exactly which income stream I started, when and why.